Okay, kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we got an easy one. I love saying that. I need to make a knob for a fan. It was all busted off, so this is for someone. They're using a pair of pliers. They asked me if I could do it. I said, sure. So I 3D printed these two knobs. I actually drew these in Fusion. I'll leave a little screen inside of a screen there so you could see it. I printed it 50%, so I'm not so sure after they drill it and epoxy it on how well it's going to do. So I rummaged around in a scrap bin and I found this thing. Now I don't know if you guys can see this, but it says US patent. And then this looks like it's 17. And this is, I don't know what this is, like a small 8 and a T. I don't know what this was. I cut it off, obviously. So what I'm going to do is we're going to head to the lathe. I'm just going to clean this up, and see if I can make a decent knob. It's going to be overkill, but hey, that's what I do. Stay tuned. Check it out. This thing's actually somewhat, we want to call it square. Let's turn down this end. We're going to attempt to clean this up, but still keep the tape. So I say we try this first. Run at 550 RPM. I did some trial and error here and just set my compound up to an angle that I thought was appropriate. The other problem I have here, as you'll see, is my tool's not centered, so I got to center that tool. Okay, don't touch anything here. So that is looking really good. All right, let's clean up this back side. I do the same thing. I loosen my compound and I just do some trial and error till I get it to where I think it needs to be. I could put an indicator on there, but sometimes this is quicker. think this is going to be pretty good. I don't know if Dallas is going to want to cut it. I didn't want to make it any smaller, but I think that's a pretty fancy knob for a fan. Hey man, that's a fancy knob. And as always, like, subscribe. I know you guys don't like 3D printing videos. It doesn't seem like you guys like these little silly videos, but these are pretty good. I actually learn a lot from these with the angles. And like I said before, if you know the angle, it's easier to cut the angle. So we took whatever this thing was. It was a piece of cast. It was destined for the trash heap, and now Dallas has a knob for his fan. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.